Fucking hell! Hi guys, I'll show you my hole. This is the hole.
Look how thick the ice is, Norton.
Oh, that's mad.
How deep is the water?
How deep?
Oh, it's like a centimetre. Yeah. Oh, look! Someone's died! That's a glove!
This is a bad idea.
Why is it a bad idea? Look at this. That fog is definitely coming quicker.
We're here in the Pennsylvania mountains on the quest for the Yeti, and we can't find him because we've been out all night on piss, so our nerves have gone. Whew! Are they Yeti tracks? Are they Yeti tracks? Oh my god. It's from the Yeti. Ah, it's cold! Solid as a rock.
Oh no, should we give him a bit of history on this place?
Yeah, Godzilla was actually underneath this sucking video.
Basically, this was a road once, like a car road, and there was a typhoon inland. It's never happened before. It only ever happened here in Derbyshire.
There was a typhoon T truck.
It's typhoon. No, it's typhoon, not typhoon.
Official Hell on Earth 2018 snow video.
No, try and jump and go through into the hole.
That's what I meant.
Oh, right. Oh, go on then. Hang on. Right, okay, Norton, I got you.
I'm diving. I'm fucking stuck. I'm stuck.
Are you actually stuck?
This is not my day today, is it?
It's not raining.
It's mist.
It's the misty mountains.
It's a bloody negative.
I'm gonna make some snow steps.
Good effort.
Thanks, mate. I'm in Norton's hole. You can't fit through there, you fucking moron.
No shit. Look at my legs.
No, we could make it actually like quite a good cave-in film.
Look at my legs. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. All my blood's rushing to my head. I need to get the fuck out.
Yeah, give me your hand.
No.
I'll pull you through.
Pull me.
Pull you? Give me your hand.
No, I'm stuck.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna fucking.
I'm gonna pull you.
Whitey,
your hand's really.
You'll be digging me out.
Your hand's really cold. Was that an Ace Ventura impression?
I'm enjoying myself today, Mark. We're
you filmed?
We're stuck. We were stuck, and this is all you can see. What we can see, because it's a camera. Meg, what is wrong with you? You and these cheap clothes you wear.
It's fucking.
Oh, you got the light. I wonder what. I thought this camera was fucked. Yeah, I'd wait. You're very close to a drop off the edge. This is more like this. Maybe this is an episode of the Horse Show.
Yeah.
More of things that happen to us. We made it off the mountain and we're all to bed. Good night.